All right, here we go. It is May 14th. And I am hoping because the honeysuckle is about to pop. So let's see. We finally had a good week of weather this week. Last week we had, I think, 3 days of rain. See what these girls are up to and go from there. Yeah, last week we had swarm cells and supersedure cells. And this week I don't want anything. I want them to focus on honey, but there's no guarantee. So let's see. A little smoke, ladies. Let's see what's going on top here. I'd like to see some honey. Okay numbers up top. Definitely don't see him getting a super today. But let's take a peek here and see what we're up to. Nothing on the outside. Okay, hold on. All right. Just a little bit. Like to see a flow. Oh yeah, that's a nice heavy frame. So you can see it's right coming up through here. Maybe you can't. But you can see, I'll try to get the sunlight, the right angle. But that's the nectar coming in. Real light this time of year, early. So frame 2 has nectar. Let's see some full frames. Yep, that's good. So once again, it's all right in here. So they're still doming a little bit, and they're still making cups, which I'm fine with. All right, looks good, girls. Looks good. To start, yeah, this is a nice heavy frame. Okay, so this is good. Hopefully, I'll try to get the angle so you can see better. But that right there, I'll move it a little bit. That is all nectar. So we're on it. Better than last week. Like, yeah, that's a good heavy frame. Better than last week. All right, ladies, here we go. We're on. I mean, this is the middle of May is when I usually start thinking about splits. And we're 2 weeks ahead of that. So splits are here. The nectar is not. Well, until now. So it's a good start. They're feeling it good. All right, I'm not concerned. I'm seeing plenty of open space. So they're not gonna get a super today. I'm gonna let them fill this up. Oh, cute cup. So that is it. Let's see how far they got over. That's beautiful. Right there's oh, look at that one. So you can see it, they've come right up and they filled, and then right here is open. Hopefully you can see that. You can see beautiful nectar right in there. All right. Nice, ladies. All right, let's close this back up. Take a peek in the bottom. Chickens are serious laying machines today. They're letting everybody know about it. All right, just pop this off and then we can take a, oh, that's nice and heavy. All right, that's a good start. Very good start. And down there. Early, so you're gonna get a little shadow in the front there, but I'll try to show you everything. So this one here shouldn't have anything left for brood. I want to say this is week 3. Since I converted them over, I'm pretty sure it's week 3. Because last week there was a lot of decent amount of brood still. All right, hold on, girls, hold on. Whoa! You can tell I'm really the rooster still letting me know. So week 3, there should be nothing in here except for some drones. Whatever was left for drones. But that is look at, so we're filling, hold on, I'll get it out of the shadow here. I'll hold it up like this, right where my thumb is. I'm hoping you can see. Yep. Look at that beautiful nectar coming in. Some are a little darker than others. Real light colored. Right there. So they're filling the outer frame here. Okay, all right already. Yep, they're filling the outer frames. All right, so we are officially on the flow. Yeah, there's a couple drones right here. Haven't emerged yet. But look at that puffy, fat frames. Loving it. And they still are doming for the queen like she's gonna come up. So I'm gonna leave this right. I don't mess with it. Let them just keep doing it. Nothing I can do about it anyways. Most of my hives do it, some of them don't. Okay, already. Yeah, here we are. All right, so we're looking at just beautiful corners, nectar, and open. A little bit of drones, a lot of cups. Boop. Come on, girls. So that's it. They got plenty of space. I'm gonna give them another week for sure. Before I even think about it. Let them fill those supers. Because a lot of it's gonna get condensed. Whoa! Ladies, how are we doing this? So here's it is, right? So I've had an excluder on there for at least 3 weeks. So how do we have a swarm cell, queen cell, I don't care what you call it at this point in time, with the larva above the excluder? Now I'm looking for eggs. Now I am looking for eggs. Now you're making me nervous. What did I mess up? I would think though with a week's worth. So what are we doing, girls? Are we moving eggs up? Yeah, I'm taking that off there. I don't want that smell above the excluder. Girls, what are we doing? What are we doing? All right, so that's frame 4. So now I gotta look for eggs. Maybe I messed up. Maybe somehow she got above the excluder. Let's see, I doubt it. I just think that they can move an egg. I mean, it's not that they moved it very far. It got right up through the excluder and in. So I'm gonna tilt this so I can see. Hopefully my head's not in your way. I'm definitely not seeing eggs. I am not seeing eggs. Ooh, all right, girls. All right, false alarm. So yeah, one thing that does happen occasionally is they move an egg above the excluder. Or I really don't know how to explain that one other than she lays up through. It doesn't make sense, but let's look at them all here. Let's look at them all. So yeah, just drones. These are empty. You got a little bit of nectar in the corners here, but I don't see anything else. So looks good. Flow is on. I can't wait. Like I said, bittersweet's about to pop. I noticed it over behind the hives when I came over today. Finally had literally a great week of weather, and I think that helped. All the rain last week and then beautiful weather this week. Well on our way. All right, I'm still looking. Gonna be cautious here, just in case. I'm not looking for the queen, I'm just looking for eggs. All right, a couple more here and we can just move on. Get into the brood chamber. All right. This is heavy though. Like you can see where they're stuffing the nectar right in here. Looks good, ladies. Looks good. I like it. Haven't got into the brood chamber yet, but I still like it. All right, Good, 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 good. All right, this is a really nice nectar right in here. Still open in the center, and this is second from outside frame, so that's open. All right, so it looks like pretty much they're staying on this side of the hive, and oh, come on, girls. They're staying on this side of the hive because this looks open. A little bit on this side. So these outer two frames really don't have much on this end. And then I say that, and then this thing is stuffed. Look at that. All the beautiful nectar. Wow, you guys are funny. You literally don't put nothing on the inside of one, and then this outer frame is stuffed. And there's nothing on that one. It's almost like they pick one side better than the other. All right, let me close this up. This is it. So, yeah, middle of May. Good flow going right now, I would say. Good start. I know next week's supposed to be nice, really nice. This weekend is supposed to be almost 70. So, that's it. Let me close this up, and then I will, I think I'm going to do 2 videos today. That way, if you don't want to watch the honey super, you don't have to. Let me stop it for a second. Thank you for watching.